but he wants his message to be heard by all the native nations. Alliance with the French is a dangerous choice. Rogers is a natural candidate to lead the mission.
Here is a man who, as a child, learned the Abenaki language fluently, had Abenaki friends. He was like one of us. What made him successful militarily is the knowledge he gained from contact with Native people. But he took that knowledge and twisted it around to attack a safe place.
This was something that Rogers had been wanting to do since early in the war. Remember that he had grown up on the frontier. He had suffered the ravages of the Indian raids himself and seen their effects on other people.